Michelle with Pink and Maine. It's the first of the month, so guess what that means? It's time for me to show you what's inside our June 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. Here's the postcard that gives a hint of what's inside. I see some shells and a seahorse. On the back of the postcard, it's going to tell us what's inside. And the color palette, look how gorgeous. Doesn't that look like something? Looks like a beach or shore or ocean. Yep, it's vitamin C with the spelling S-E-A. Never hurts to have a little pun, right? Let's start with the cardstock. You're going to get 5 sheets of 8.5 by 11 colored cardstock. We've got this sandy tan color, a couple of teals, this nice peachy color, a lime green. You're gonna get a full sheet of this beautiful blue glitter paper and 2 sheets of our 110-pound white cardstock. Don't forget your handy dandy mesh project bag. You get a zippered mesh project bag. Keep all your kit contents inside. Now let's get into the other goodies. You're going to get a stencil. This is a 6 by 6 stencil, and we've got some fun things to create beach or wave or skyline scenes with this stencil. We've got a palm tree, sun, some clouds. We've got these 2 circles where you can create your scene with either these wave patterns or the straight lines like horizon lines. We've got a seahorse, a bird flying, a dolphin, and we've got this fun little wave pattern here. And of course, our stencil will fit into our storage binder. We've got an exclusive sequin mix, and the colors coordinate perfectly with the rest of the kit. Look at those beautiful blues and teals, the sandy colors. We've got some pearl shells as well as some gold shells in here. So I know you're gonna have lots of fun creating with these sequins. You're also gonna get your little 1-inch little flare button. This one has a little crab on it. I put different images on them, so who knows what you may get. It'll be fun to open it up and see. We've got glitter enamel dots, again in the colors that perfectly coordinate with the kit. We've got that sandy tan, the peach, the lime green, the 2 teals, and that really pretty blue. And there's so much glitter and sparkle in these, it's fun to add them to the cards. Gonna get a full 6 by 6 paper pack. So I'll just fan out and show you some of the really fun patterns that are in this paper pack. Look at those wavy lines with the shells. We've got some waves. There's flamingos, there's fish. We've got polka dots, we've got waves in different colors. There's 24 different patterns, and you get 2 of each. There's 24 sheets, but they're double-sided, so you get 2 of each. We've got seahorses, we've got shells in other colors, we've got stripes, a fun plaid, and then we've got more waves and dots. You're gonna have so much fun creating with these papers. But that's not all. You're gonna get a 6 by 6 embossing folder. I don't have it in hand at the moment while filming this, but this is what it's going to emboss. Look at those fun waves. Oh, I can't wait to use this embossing folder. We have our exclusive 6 by 6 stamp set. So we've got some fun sentiments in here. Good vibes only, hello sunshine. Nothing a dose of vitamin C can't fix. I sure do miss you. So what I've given you this time is lots of fun little elements or images that you can create different scenes with, or just create different backgrounds. You can have lots of fun with these stamps. We've got a flamingo, we've got some sunglasses, the sun, some clouds, dolphin, bird, palm trees. We've got different shells. We've got some fish and a little crab, a sailboat, a seahorse, and a lighthouse. So just lots of fun little images that you can create all sorts of fun looks with. And last but certainly not least, we have this big die set. this little piece here, it cuts out the words Hello Sunshine in a little rectangle. So you've got that, you can use that for a sentiment. We've got some shells, it's gonna cut out. We've got some big sunglasses, a large seahorse, and here's another shell. So these are not coordinating dies for the stamp set. I didn't give you all the little dies to cut all this stuff out because these are more like silhouette type images that you create scenes with. You'll stamp them right onto your paper. But I wanted to give you some nice big dies that you can use with the stencil. And I'll do a card making video where I show you some fun ways that we can use these bigger dies with some of that stencil artwork and even with the stamp set too. Thanks for joining me today. I hope you've enjoyed this closer look at our June 2021 Crafty Courtyard kit. The theme is vitamin C, and it's just sure to sell out this month. You'll want to head over to pinkandmain.com and subscribe as soon as you can. Until next time, my friends, keep living the creative life.